If you are a traveler and you travel frequently, then you must need to know regarding the Make My Trip promo codes available on the website. So in this video, let's find out best 5 promo codes for Make My Trip. For this, I will go on the official website here, that is Grab On. That is a genuine and trusted website for coupon codes. I will click on it and just search for the best 5 coupon codes here. Now, you can also go to this website and get up to 12% off with this coupon code. And with second one, you can get 5,000. With third one, you can get 2,000 off. Then fourth one is 15% and the fifth one is 25%. There are not only 5 best coupon codes, but there are 100 of coupon codes available and verified. You can simply click on show QR or promo code to get a promo code and then simply copy this from this menu. After that, you can simply paste this code in the checkout page of your MMT and then you will get a discount. Thank you so much for watching it.